May I come in, sir?
Yeah, please come in.
Good morning,
Very good morning. Please sit down.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Satvik Singh, right?
Yes.
Yes, Satvik, please tell me something about yourself.
Sir, my name is Satvik Singh. I'm a final year student. I'm currently pursuing my BTech degree in CS from Millennium Institute of Technology. And I'm interested in the role of a front-end developer in your organization.
Okay. So, why front end? Why not back end? You are most comfortable into front end side,
Yes,
right?
sir, I'm more comfortable in the front end. Currently, I'm also exploring back end, but I'm not really comfortable to the point that I can apply into an organization as in the role of a back end developer. So right now, I'm comfortable with doing front end projects. So maybe in future, when I will be able to complete the back end, I will also be applying for back end. But right now.
Like I think because you are into BTech CS last sem, so I think you are learning like entire things like front end, back end, data science, AI, ML, all the things. But why you have chosen front end? Where you found that like your development skills is better than other things?
Sir, I also explored different things. As you can see in my resume that I have some foundation in AI/ML as well. So during the last year of my BTech degree, I realized that I'm also kind of more interested into coding and development. I do not like to limit myself into some domains, but I explored my interest that it was way more in front end as compared to any other domain.
What was the last project which you have done?
Sir, the last project I did, as I mentioned to you that I was interested in AI/ML. So the last project I did was a Python project which I did. It was an Iris dataset that has been mentioned in my resume.
Python. Okay, Python. Okay, see, the thing is that like right now the positions which we have is for like for data science as well as AI ML. Front end position definitely in future there might be some position for front end developer. So for data science, would you be interested for this profile?
So actually, my interest right now is in front end development, and I would like to go for such roles that align with my interest.
So the project which you have done, like what was the team size in this project?
So I was the only person.
You have done solo project. What was the duration of this project?
So it was about 2 weeks.
2 weeks project. And technologies was Python, right?
Yes, sir.
What was the outcome of that project and what was the motto of that project?
So the motto of the project was we were given a data set of iris plants. They were in different colors and they were mentioned sepal lengths, widths, etc. So the outcome of the project was to retrieve the data that is the data that the data and also the data that was retrieve the data using different
describe the things very well. And like any difficulties, any problems which you have faced while doing this project?
Sir, I faced some difficulties like cross-validation. It was not happening because it was not working on my system.
Okay.
But so I had to skip on that one. But then I continued.
Overall experience was nice, right?
Yes, sir, it was nice.
Okay. So it was a single project which you have done in the entire like BTech, or like apart from that you have done some more projects as well?
Sir, I started doing some projects, but due to some reasons, I couldn't continue because there were some technical issues.
There was some. So it was a single project, I can assume.
That was actually completed.
It was a completed project. So, is there any project which is in the queue, like it is not completed till date?
Sir, actually, I started a web scraping project. I started to scrape Amazon's website, but because I couldn't get APIs of that side, so I had to stop it.
Satvik, tell me something about your family background.
So my family background is that I'm from Bihar. My father is a civil engineer and my mom is a housewife. I have two siblings. And
See, position which we have is for Hyderabad location. So, is it would be possible for you to join in Hyderabad?
yes, sir, I would be able to relocate.
Relocation is not an issue with you. Okay. And for this particular position, the salary range which we are offering, although it's 6 lakhs per annum, but in initial level, we'll be able to offer you a stipend of 20,000 rupees. Apart from that, we'll be definitely providing you a stay, and work facility will also be there. So, this would be okay with you? Because once after completion of your probation period of 6 months, then as per your performance, we'll offer you the package which we have conveyed over here. Will be okay with that, right? Okay. So, Satvik, meanwhile you are shortlisted for the position, but you may wait outside. We'll shortly let you know about further process. There might be a technical round afterwards. Thank you so much. Thanks for being here. Please sit down. Sakshi Kumar, right? Yeah, please, Sakshi, elaborate yourself.
Good morning, sir. I am Sakshi and I am pursuing BTech from Millennium Institute of Technology, which is a node from RGP. Currently, I am in my last sem, and I am very much excited for the interview, and I am encouraged to apply for the role of software engineer to your company.
Sakshi, as I've seen in your resume, you are pursuing the last semester of your BTech CS, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, which kind of expectations you have from your career? What is your goal, career goal? What you want to be in your life?
Basically, my primary career goal is to get in a good company and have some valid experience regarding what I have been taught in the 4 years of my BTech and the technical skills which I earned during my graduation.
So, the technologies to whom you know, in which you are very good.
Sir, actually I like to explore various backgrounds as computer science is a vast area and it has various fields like data science, data analytics, software engineering, front end, back end, full stack. So I have explored almost every branch.
I was asking about the technologies, in which technologies you think like you have hands-on experience.
Front end development basically.
Front-end development,
which tools or technology has?
Yeah, I get it.
HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React. That's all.
So, have you done any kind of projects related to those technologies which you are explaining?
Yes, I have done. Actually, I have done some minor projects, but one of the minor projects is Weather Pulse, which is a weather API. In the particular project, I have integrated the Open Weather API in my project for fetching the local weather of different type of cities. I think it can fetch around 500 plus countries data.
Okay, great. So, what was the team size of this particular project?
So,
it was a solo project. Okay. And what was the duration of this project?
I think I have completed this project in around 2.5 weeks.
2.5 months.
2.5 weeks.
Weeks. Okay.
It is only a front end project. I have not integrated it with the back end.
So, like what was the outcome of that project? What was the goal? Like the project has been like accomplished with like all the outcomes, like the result which you were expecting earlier before the project.
Actually, it is giving the output which I want to from the app, but the UI UX design must be improved. I haven't improved it.
Okay, it was the lacking of
Lacking.
your projects. Okay. So, any internship which you have done?
Yeah, I have done an internship in Geekster, which is an edtech company, where I have been involved in resolving the doubts of students regarding Python and SQL.
Python and SQL. So it was a single project which you have done in entire.
I have done some scrapping, web scrapping projects. I have scrapped a Flipkart page where they have integrated the product list, price, and their further details and description in an Excel file.
Uh, Sakshi, right? Sakshi, see, the thing is that like we have the opportunity, like we have multiple opportunity. We have the opportunity for non-technical positions, as well as like we have technical positions as well. So, like, for which role you think like you'll be most comfortable, for developer, or like for the AI ML, or like for data science, like, or like which kind of position, like for you are looking out for the front end or like the back end, which kind of profile you are looking for basically?
I'm looking for the front end profile.
Front end means development side you want to
Yes.
see. Okay. So, do you have any kind of experience, or like you are just a fresher?
Just a question. I have done projects, but I am not experienced at working in a company or something else.
The latest technologies or the languages which you already aware of, give it a name.
JavaScript, basically JavaScript is a language which is evergreen. Like in web development domain or in any type of development domain, JavaScript is the just foundation, basic. So I have done the foundation, and for the front end part, nowadays React is very famous. Angular is also famous, but React is used very much in almost all companies.
Sakshi, nice meeting with you, and definitely like being a fresher, I think your knowledge is very much satisfactory, and we'll let you know shortly about the thing. Meanwhile, you are shortlisted for the position, but we'll update you about further things. You can reach out.